Morning, folks. Just a little breakfast setup. That felt weird. I never do it from that side. I'm always standing here doing it. It's been a minute. Haven't had anything fun to talk about. Pilot's good to go. No porcupine quill issues. Talked to a vet. They said no need for an antibiotic as long as you're like certain you got all the quills out. And I'm like, yeah. I use pliers. How could I not get them out? So that's good to go. I made an appointment anyways because I got to get him more medicine for shit, like flea and tick stuff and the heartworms and all the special treats. That's a thing. I'm gonna ramble for a little bit, and then we have a little bit of an investigative series to do today, folks. We have some CSI work. I drove the van into work yesterday. Reminded myself why I hate doing that. I honestly, like, I get it. Like, the benefits are good having a government job. But that does not outweigh my fucking sanity. No way. Like, no way. Gosh, man. Like, I mean, there's other options. Those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, working on a shipyard, there's like 5, 6, 7,000 people that work on it. Oh, I already ruined it. All right, quick investigative series because we just screwed this up. 50, 49, 50 degrees, 46 degrees. This is reflective. So I think there's something wrong with my refrigerator. 45 degrees on the actual mustard. That's not that cold. 45 degrees, like that's not that cold at all. So we're just jumping right in it, folks. We have our little infrared thermometer here. Countertop's reading 68.7 degrees. Wow, that's like really accurate. 69 degrees. Wow, that's like super accurate actually. I want to show you this. Can you see that? 67 on just like the regular thermostat, right? And then we're gonna bring it so that there's one dot. That means like it's like accurate. That spot's reading. Can we illuminate this? Yeah, there we go. 71 degrees. It's pretty close. Depending on the spot, it changes. So, yeah, I don't think the fridge is working well. I've been having some things go bad like really fast. Like within like a couple days. Like, I get it, like deli meat, lunch meat isn't like the best stuff, but it literally went bad in 3 days. And I'm like, and not bad like, I don't think this is good. Like, no, this was fucking bad. B-A-D, bad. It was slimy and it stank. And for reference, this thing was right next to the ice box, like the freezer portion of the refrigerator, and it's glass, which should hold like the most it's like the most thermal conductive thing in there. Like it should hold the most cold or heat, whichever. So let's see, eggs 44, salsa 42 out in the back. Oh, we got 37 on the tortellini, but that's right underneath. All right, so the carrots are 40. The can's on the door, 55 degrees. The peanut butter, 46 degrees. Now, mind you, all these temperatures, I gotta like boogie. I'm on like a tight schedule today. Not for any particular reason, I just have a lot of things to do before going to work. Mind you, all these temperatures were just taken that you witnessed. Like that was the first time I opened the fridge in over 8 hours. So I'm scrambling right now and can't even think of what I need to take out. I usually don't leave the refrigerator open, and I didn't do the math, but we could try to do the math here together. I'm gonna drink one of these. So let's say I open it on average 10 times a day, right? We're gonna go with 10 because I need a nice, really round number here. It is 4:40 in the morning. So like 10 times. All right, let's make it 20 and go excessive, because I'm probably somewhere between there, honestly. Probably between a dozen and 15, but those are like hard numbers for math. Not really, but we'll go on the aggressive side. Say I open it 20 times a day, right? I mean, I don't even know how I'd begin averaging the length of time the door is open. Like that was probably the longest it's ever been open, because I don't like snack hunt in there. Like I don't have shit to snack on. I mean, I do, but like, you know when you're a kid and like you get yelled at because you're like standing in front of the refrigerator with it open, like in the middle of summer, and you're like looking for something to eat, even though like you've done it 4 times now, and there will be nothing different every time you open it. You just haven't made the decision. There's none of that, because I know what I have. The refrigerator is like the size of an average home freezer. You know, like that you can't fit that many things in there. It's not a thing. I've jammed it full. But like, you know what I mean? Like you don't have like endless options. It's not a thing. Anyways, so let's say I open it for 30 seconds at a clip, that's really long. So you know what? We're not even gonna do that. We're gonna do 20 seconds, like a true 20 seconds. 20 seconds, ready? 20 seconds is having the refrigerator open now. Like it's been open. We're dilly-dallying. We're looking at, do I want this? No, maybe I want that. What's over here? 10 seconds. Maybe this. Maybe some eggs. I've literally looked at every single shelf in there by now. 20 seconds. Like, no. Maybe sometimes if I need to shuffle something around to get to another item, maybe 20 seconds. Majority of the time, no. I need eggs, butter, and sausage. Boom, breakfast, done. You know what I mean? Like, those are the 3 things I'm getting. Like that's what's happening. I need to make my lunch. Okay, well, I'm getting my condiments. I'm getting mustard and mayonnaise, and I'm getting my, turkey or chicken or whatever, and cheese. That's it. You know, like there's not many things for me to go fishing around. Like, oh, maybe I want to put maybe I want to put a pickle in there today, or maybe I want to. Oh, should I dice up these? I don't know, like radishes, or where do I want to put my salad? Like, no, it's not a thing, guys. Like, it's not a thing. Could I make it a thing? Maybe. Like, maybe I could organize better or something. Gosh, dude, these deli people, man. I love them. I love them. They're great. They're servicing my needs of getting me fairly cheap lunches and dinners and most things. But, gosh, these stickers, man, they just rip the bags open. Anyways, 20 seconds. We're back on track. 20 seconds, we're gonna say, is how long I keep the door open, and we're gonna say I do it 20 times. This math just got terrible because if I'm doing an average of 20 seconds 20 times, so oh gosh, 3, 6, 8 minutes. So three times is 1 minute, right? 20, 40, 60 seconds in a minute, okay? Oh, no, so 6, 7, no, so not even 7. Not even 7 minutes. We'll call it 10 minutes. We're gonna over fucking shoot everything. 10 minutes. So it would be 7 minutes, or it would be 6 minutes and 40 seconds is how long the refrigerator is open on an average day. Granted, it has been 90 fucking degrees for like a week straight. And I don't recall ever having an issue with the temperature in the refrigerator, although Mom did bring it to my attention once when they came to visit in Alaska. She kind of mentioned how like the drinks weren't that cold, and I was like, oh, I don't think so, I think they're fine. But that's like I forget what that bias is called, where like I'm around it all the time, so I don't see it. You know what I mean? I don't like recognize an issue because it's normal to me. So, and I guess, and a little backstory here. Besides stuff going bad, I have I noticed the other day, I brought a couple of those seltzers into the hotel and put them in that refrigerator, and I didn't drink this one yet. Oh, those are good. I brought it into the hotel and put it in that refrigerator, and that mofo is pretty much frozen. It was not frozen, but it felt like it while drinking. That sumbie was cold. Like, incomparable to what's in the van. Like, not even freaking close. Like, in a good way. You know what I mean? Like, the van is, like, lacking, like, insanely. And then, the compounding thing with, like, stuff going bad. I'm like, that's not good. But I'm wondering if it's like a heat thing, like it just can't keep up with the ambient temperature. But I mean, 90 degrees, like it's been 95 in the van a lot, like, because it just sits there and bakes in the sun. Pilot has not been in the van. He's been in the hotel. Don't need to go fucking calling PETA on me. Can't anyways, like, good luck finding me. So, yeah. So, I don't know. Like, I mean, 40 degrees that's not, like, acceptable. I don't think. I don't know. I did do a little research on this refrigerator, though, and they are now selling an IT something, I don't know. It's like innovated ITC or integrated or innovative temperature control, like switch valve thing. Relax, there's a dumpster outside, like right in front. I'm not littering. That has been wildly convenient though, like cleaning the van or something. I just fucking throw shit outside. Where was I going? What was I just saying? Oh, this temperature control thing. And it's talking about like having the refrigerator be more efficient. There's like you can put the refrigerator into eco mode where it just runs the compressor at the lowest RPM, so it's like just the lowest draw. It actually lets you control the temperature, like there's a temperature control readout. Instead of right now, it's your classic mini fridge type thing where you have 0 to 7, 7 being the coldest, like that's it. That's all the info you got. I'm on 7, by the way. And I just defrosted the refrigerator like before I went to my first job, I think. Well, no, between, because my first job was like fake. So in May, I defrosted it in May. It's not even August. 2 months. You know what I mean? And there's really honestly not that much buildup on the refrigerator. There is frost buildup, yes, but it's not like super crazy excessive by any means. It's not like defrost worthy, I don't think. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Just for shits, like I don't know. Maybe that's an issue. Maybe I need to defrost it once a month in the summer. I don't know. Yeah. So that's a thing. It has been so warm that I can't leave sharp objects or like objects that are like slightly heavy on my countertop, because apparently when I made them, I failed to mix it properly, like the hardener and the resin, or like just the epoxy and the hardener. It's the 2-part, and I'm pretty fucking anal. And I bought special mixing cups and measured it exactly how they said to measure it. Like I'm pretty spot on with that shit. But nonetheless, it's like not hard anymore, I guess, or maybe not anymore, but like it never truly hardened. Like it's hard, but not really. Does that make sense? Because things like heat is now affecting it and allowing stuff to be imprinted onto it. It's not the end of the world, because the heat then kind of levels it out again. You know what I mean? So like if I left something on here and it made like a dimple, if I move the item, let's say my coffee cup, because we'll say it has a ridge on the bottom of it, like just the circle rim. if I remove the coffee cup and it's hot in the van either the next day or the same day or whatever, it will then like flatten out again, which is odd. But yeah, so that's the thing. Oh, way back to the, see, I think the whole refrigerator, me being like off, I wasn't paying attention, got me screwed up. Yeah, drove into work today because it was thunderstorming like crazy, and man, dude, like I was saying, government job, man, you kind of can't beat it with the security and like the stableness and like the benefits, like medical benefits, like retirement, all that. Like you nowadays you kind of can't beat it. Kind of, you know what I mean? Like if you're a low risk person. When it comes to job stability, I think. Because, I mean, in no fucking way, shape, or form is van life stable at all. Period. Like, it literally moves. And I'm literally one stoplight away from having it vanish. So, like, that's not very stable. But for some reason, I'm absolutely insane. And, like, job stability to me is like, I don't know. It's one of those things. Maybe it's not just me. I don't know. But anywho, dude, people that work at this shipyard, man. Like, I don't know how they do it. I really, 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 really don't. Yesterday, I'm at a hotel. We've already discussed that. If you haven't, too fucking bad. Go watch a different video so that you understand. I think it's 3.5 miles away, like from where I work. Not like, oh, the gate to get onto the Navy base. Like, nope. Like where I work, like the pin. 3-something miles away. It took me 40 minutes to get back to the hotel yesterday after work. Now, I will confess that there was we'll say a conservative 5-minute stop, or maybe hold up. So we're gonna call it 35 minutes. 35 minutes to go 3-point-something miles. Because when I got back to the van, I had to take away the dog blocker, and I had to let Pilot go to the bathroom. He had to go pee. But other than that, traffic. To the point, like, I don't understand how people can do that every single day. Like, every single day. Like, bro. It's mind-boggling. I don't get it. And I'm sure, like, this isn't even the worst of it, you know? Like, I'm sure, like, maybe, like, people going into the city or, like, I don't know, live in one place and having to, like, transit across a city, like New York or Boston or something. Like, maybe that's worse. Maybe they got it worse. I don't know. And I'm not trying, like, This ain't no pity party on me. Like, I'm riding my fucking bicycle today. It's gonna take me 12 minutes to commute home. 12 minutes. So like, I mean, I'll deal with it on rainy days, because like, I got absolutely drenched yesterday. Even just walking from one building to another, like during work, like it was absolutely miserable. I was soaked to the bone. And there's no way I'm doing that like on the ride into work. No way. And it was indeed raining in the morning. Riding home in it, not the end of the world. I'd still prefer not to get absolutely demolished, but is what it is. But man, like seriously, dude, like I don't know. Maybe some of you guys watching this, I don't know. Like if you have to commute that long, so like, but it's not even that long, and it could be that long. Like some of these people live like 40 minutes to an hour away. So I'm like, dude, so your commute home should only be like 1 hour, but it's taking you 2. One of which you're just sitting in traffic to get off an island that's like the size of your fucking thumb. Bro. I don't know how people do that every day. I really don't. Like I don't know. I would be one unstable mofo if I had to do that every day. Like it honestly feels like almost like a. And y'all are probably thinking I'm nuts, like hyping this up, but like, dude, it's like a prison. Like you're just sitting there, like I can see the gate, like I can see the road, like right there. It's right there. It's so close, and it's gonna take me 40 minutes to get there. Like, oh my god. It's crazy. Like crazy. Well, that's all I got. We did some CSI investigative shit. We talked about my countertops, and we talked about how people are absolutely nuts to be working at this shipyard. And I'm talking, dude, people do this for like 20 some odd years. $20 years. Like let's say you average 200 working days a year, which is like way low, like way low. But let's say like you use all your sick time, you take all your vacations, they get extended holiday weekends, like all that. So we're gonna say you only work 200 because it's simple math here. Last time it didn't work out, but I'm hoping this one works a little bit better. 200 years, right? 200 years. 200 days. Let's average that it's let's say it's 30 minutes of traffic a day, right? So you're looking at what? 100 hours? 100 hours of unpaid time spent on that island. Bro. And then like, so no. Yeah, it would be 100 a year. Bro, so if you did 2,000 or if you did 200, I can't even say the numbers right because it's like mind-boggling. I wish I could fact myself. You guys might be laughing your ass off because I might be doing this math way wrong. But if you did 20 years, like, you know, like, and then retired, you would have 2,000 unpaid hours on that island. That's crazy. 2,000 hours. Bro. That's almost a year. Like 52 weeks in a year, 40 hours a week. No. Did I math wrong? Did I math way wrong? I might have math way wrong. We might have to revisit this, folks. I'm going to write it down so I can try to, like, redo this. I would... How long? We've been going 30 minutes. Yeah, I need to end this. It was 4:50 when I started, so it's 5:20. I still need to walk the dog and finish not burning my breakfast. All right, have a good day, folks. I have coffee, but it's like 70 degrees. I'm not chugging it. Have a good one.